So I must have taken a wrong turn. But it's still okay. It's alright, we're gonna make it. Hello everybody, it's Michael. And this is a little series I would like to call 7 Turkish Cities in 7 Days. I'll go to a new city every single day and have a new video out every day. And there's a small place in Sparta we're gonna be headed to, so we're gonna go check that out. But first, we gotta get on the bus to get out of here. And this is day 1 of the journey, so let's get into it. Alright, so I don't think I've shown you the amount of stuff that I carry around. It's probably about 60, 70 pounds. But now, first things first, we gotta get a taxi to the bus station. The journey to Sparta has begun. Best seat in the whole bus, all the way in the back here. Alright, we're going to be heading to the edge of Sparta. It's actually going to be called the village of Koyukak. The village of Koyukak is where we're going to be heading. So I just need to get a taxi there, and then we'll explore the little village. Village Koyukak.
Kuyucak.
Yeah.
Kuyucak.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 You
All
can
right.
go this way.
Okay. Alright, thank you. So we got to the village, but the one hotel in the village is closed. I didn't book it beforehand. I just kind of wanted to show up and get here, but it's not open. So I gotta find a plan B on where I want to go. But luckily I have a really cool taxi driver. He's helping me out. Since we can't stay at the village, we're going to plan B at Eğirdir Lake, and we're gonna get a hotel over there, and we'll check that out. And hopefully, we get there soon, so we have time to explore before it gets dark. We are at Eğirdir Lake. I'm actually just picking up my bus ticket for Konya tomorrow. And this taxi driver is actually so nice. He's actually helping me out, giving me recommendations, calling the hotels. He's being awesome. Merhaba. This is where you buy a bilet.
Bileti yan tarafa.
Oh, okay.
Teşekkürler.
You just walked in somebody's office.
I came first time.
Oh.
This autogar, this terminal.
See, we're both on an adventure.
Sorry?
We're both
Yes,
exploring.
exactly.
Merhaba.
Merhaba. Konya'ya gidecekti arkadaş.
Ne zaman?
Yarın için. Kaçta otobüsünüz var acaba?
Sabah 9'da bir arabamız var. Öğlen 12.30.
Evet.
Abi görüşürüz. Teşekkür ederiz.
All right, thank you so much for all the help.
You're welcome.
So this was the plan B from the village, but I think this is actually a little bit better than the village. So now I just need to get into a hotel, and then we'll get out and start exploring. And I still haven't ate any food today, so I gotta get something to eat. In the city of Eğirdir. Eğirdir. It's a terrible name. This is 130 lira for the night. So I'll put the conversion up there. It's not too bad. It's pretty big. Here's the bathroom. And I have 3 beds. Alright, now let's go explore this lake. Let's go get some food. I'm starving. Let's see what this little city has to offer. Merhaba.
Merhaba aslan.
You guys sent to eat? So this is called the shepherd salad, and it's only about 10 lira, so just over it's like $1.30 just about probably. If you can see it, but there's a flag way up there. It'd be so cool to get up there. I think we're gonna try and get on top of some big hill or something, or like go climb something so we can get to the top. And I think that'll be a good little adventure for the day. Doggies. Hey, buddies. Hey. Hey, bud. Hey, little guys. Hey, little guys. If I can take a taxi and get on the top of this one, because I saw a flag up there, that must mean there's something. Or at least take me to the entrance so I can walk up it. The problem is, we probably only got maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours left of sunlight before it gets completely dark. So we gotta go quickly up to these things, otherwise we're gonna be doing it in the dark. We're going up there. I'm trying to just get off the highway, and this doesn't look like a safe route at all. There's like down power lines and stuff. Oh my god, literally power lines. I'm gonna have to weave through power lines. This isn't a good idea. This is really stupid. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done. Ah, look at that, we survived the hill. We didn't get killed by electrical lines. We're doing pretty well. Now we just need to get to the top of the mountain. I don't even know if this mountain has a path or not. I'm determined. I'm gonna get up to that top of that mountain. I saw a flag up there. Someone got there somehow. So that means I could do the same thing. I want to go to the top of the mountain. Can we go to the top? Can I go to the base of the mountain so I can walk?
Yes, Akpınar Village here.
It's over there.
Panorama nice. Taxi go?
Oh yeah, can we go there?
Yeah, okay.
So we have to go pretty quickly to get to the top of this mountain and then get back down here before it's dark and find a taxi so we're not walking in complete darkness. So let's see if we can do it fast. That's where we're going. It's the graveyard of all the people who have tried to climb this mountain. Look at that, it's snowing here. I'm out of shape. I haven't ran in a while. So this is tough. But I got this. We're getting to the top of the mountain. This type of trail is more my style. Downhill. Oh yeah, that's much better. actually never touched some snow, so let's do it. Never touched it before. Cool. Look at that. We are almost there. And the sun is almost gone too. Look at that flag. These guys have the best view ever. I'm just gonna take a nap up here. Just gonna take a nap right here. Right here, right there. Oh my god. You guys are not going to believe this. So I got to the top of this mountain, and guess what? It was actually an ancient Roman city. Look at this. I didn't know before we came up here that we were gonna come across an ancient city. Like, this is so cool. "2,000 years ago, there was a city right where I'm standing. I am now rock climbing. This is no longer a path. I'm going to get to this flag. Hey, look at that. My homies made it to the top. There it is. There's the flag. Look at that. There's ruins. That is crazy. What you're looking at right here is over 2,000 years old. This must have been like an ancient wall up at the top of this mountain. And I can't imagine many tourists are able to get up here to see this. Now the harder part of this journey is going to be getting back down before, well, it's going to get dark before we get down, that's a fact. But now getting down is going to be tricky because it's slippery. And then we got to find a taxi once we get to the bottom to get back to our hotel. Because we were probably about 6 to 7 miles away from people right now. We still have a little walking to do in the dark, but at least we don't have to get down the hard part of the mountain, so that's the good thing. You know what? There's another problem. On this trail, I'm on the way walking up, there's a lot of poop. There's a lot of poop on this trail. And now, I can't tell the difference between, I can't even see the poop. It just all looks like rocks to me, so I'm probably going to be stepping in poop. Now it's so dark you can't even see me on the camera. And my phone just died. But it'll all be okay. I'll get back to the town. Well, here's another problem. I just lost the path that I'm on. But I know I have to keep heading down, and that's where the people are. So I'll just keep doing that. So I must have taken a wrong turn. But it's still okay. It's alright, we're gonna make it. I feel like I keep hearing animals. But then I remember where I am in a big open thing on the mountain. The only animals that would be here are like goats and stuff, you know? Yes! We found the path again. We're all good. We have made it back to civilization. But my legs are on fire right now. If I could, I'd trade my arms for my legs right now. Because everybody knows your legs are more important. Everything's closed in this little town. I don't know how I'm gonna find a taxi. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to start knocking on people's doors to have them call me a taxi. Marhaba. 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 I got myself into a pickle this time. Alright, here's a car. There's gotta be somebody here. The lights are on in this thing. Marhaba. Marhaba. Come on. You're kidding me. Those people just stopped and I asked for a taxi and they drove away. Marhaba. Okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Hey, back up. Back up. Back up. Merhaba. My phone is dead.
iPhone?
Yes, it's dead. Is there any way you could call a taxi?
Taxi?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Alright, so we're good to go now. We have a taxi on the way. It'll be here in 10 minutes. We made it out alive. I've been saved. Here's the taxi. Baba. Alright, we made it back to our hotel safe and sound. This is the end of day 1 of 7 cities in 7 days. This was the city of Eğirdir. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video going to Konya.